Best cord management sleeves organize messy cables, protect wires from damage, improve workspace aesthetics, enhance safety, and make home or office setups cleaner and efficient. My today's video is about top 5 best cord management sleeves that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Alex Tech 10 feet, a reliable cord management solution can instantly transform a cluttered setup into a clean and organized workspace, and this 10-foot cable management sleeve does exactly that. With a half-inch diameter and flexible split design, it allows you to easily insert multiple cables without complicated installation. Once the wires are inside, the sleeve naturally closes around them, creating a neat and secure wrap that keeps everything in place. Built for durability, the sleeve operates in extreme temperatures ranging from -103 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit, with a melt point of 446 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it suitable for various environments, from home entertainment systems and hi-fi speaker wiring to HDMI setups and even automotive cable management. The insulated material adds an extra layer of protection for your wires while also helping prevent pets, like cats, from chewing on exposed cables. Additionally, its UL-recognized design ensures dependable quality and safety. Overall, this cable organizer is a simple yet effective way to protect wires and eliminate messy cable clutter at home or in the office. Now our second product is Rapid Zipper Cable Sleeve. Keeping cables neat and organized can dramatically improve the look and safety of any workspace, and these zipper cable sleeves make the process quick and effortless. Designed for convenience, simply place the sleeve around your cords and zip it closed to instantly bundle and secure messy wires. It's an ideal solution for organizing cables around TVs, entertainment centers, or under desks where cords tend to pile up. Each sleeve measures 24 by 4 inches, and the pack includes 4 sleeves, giving you plenty of coverage for multiple setups. The zipper design allows easy installation or removal without disconnecting cables, making it perfect for frequently changing workstations or home office environments. Beyond functionality, these sleeves also enhance the overall appearance of your space by hiding tangled wires and creating a cleaner, more professional look. Instead of letting cords clutter the floor, this cable concealer keeps everything snug and tidy. Made by Rapid Storage, a small family business focused on practical organization solutions, this product combines simplicity, durability, and thoughtful design to help you maintain a clutter-free workspace. Our third product is Datar Cable Management Kit. The Cable Management Organizer Kit is a comprehensive solution for taming messy wires and keeping your home or office safe and organized. This all-in-one kit includes 4 cord protectors, 20 inches by 0.4 inches, 28 cable clips, 19 cord holders, 10 reusable wire ties, 2 self-adhesive cable tie rolls, 118-inch each, 10 zip tie mounts, 12 pairs of hook and loop strips, 8 cable labels, and 100 fastening ties, providing everything needed for virtually any cable management task. Crafted from highly durable materials, the kit ensures long-lasting performance. The self-adhesive pads on clips and holders are strong yet removable, leaving no sticky residue. The split-braided wire loom makes loading wires effortless, and it closes securely around cords to prevent tangling. It also acts as a pet-proof barrier, protecting cables from curious cats. Flexible and versatile, the included ties can be combined to create longer lengths, and their eyelets allow hanging or attachment to hooks. Beyond organization, this kit enhances safety by reducing trip hazards and creating a clean, professional appearance in any space. Now number 4, Hien Norak 192 PCS Cable Management Kit. The Cable Management Kit is a complete solution for organizing and protecting your wires, whether at home, in the office, or in automotive setups. This versatile kit includes 4 cable sleeves, 20 inches by 0.4 inches, 20 reusable wire ties, 35 cable clips, 11 cord holders, 2 self-adhesive tie rolls, 118-inch each, 20 zip tie mounts, and 100 fastening ties, 7.87 inches by 0.12 inches, giving you everything needed for a clutter-free environment. Crafted from premium, durable materials, the components are built to last, with strong self-adhesive pads that securely attach to desks, walls, cabinets, wood, or ceramic surfaces without leaving residue. The braided wire sleeves are split for easy cable insertion and close snugly for a perfect wrap, while also protecting cords from pets chewing. The kit features eco-friendly polyamide 66 clips in black and transparent, offering strength and versatility. The included self-adhesive ties have convenient eyelets for hanging or linking multiple ties to create longer lengths. Overall, this kit provides an efficient, safe, and aesthetically pleasing way to manage cables, reduce clutter, and enhance any space. And our last choice is AgTech White Cable Sleeve Cover. The AgTech Self-Closing Cable Sleeve is a versatile and practical solution for organizing and protecting multiple cables at home, in the office, or even in vehicles. Measuring 2 by 5 feet with a diameter of 0.75 to 1.2 inches, this cable tube can accommodate various cable sizes, and it's easy to cut with scissors for a customized fit. For extra safety, the cut ends can be sealed with fire to prevent fraying. Crafted from flame-retardant, robust, and flexible material, the sleeve withstands temperatures from -50 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius and meets UL 94 V2 standards, ensuring both durability and safety without any chemical odors. Its self-closing design allows quick bundling, hiding, and tidying of wires for a clean and organized setup. Ideal for households with children or pets, it protects cables from chewing by cats, dogs, rabbits, and other pets. Beyond home use, it's perfect for automotive wiring, computer setups, and automation equipment where heat resistance and protection are essential. This cable sleeve combines safety, functionality, and convenience for a clutter-free, organized environment. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.